Good morning to all. I am Dr. Santa Someswar Rao. Now I am going to explain one of the concepts from machine learning. That is called some basics about the statistics called variance and covariance. Variance refers to the spread of a data set around its mean value. That means this variance is spread spread around the data set the its mean value, while a covariance refers to the measure of the directional relationship between two random variables. Variance spread a dataset around its mean value, whereas covariance refers to measure of directional relationship between two random variables. The variance of the set of numbers is a measure of how spread out the values are. This is calculated by using sigma is equal to 1 to n xi minus mu whole square, where mu is a mean, xi is a each input. It is computed as the sum of square distance between the each element in the set and expected value of the set. That means it is the difference between each element minus squared sum of each element minus mean value. Coming to the variance, where the variance looks at the variation in one variable compared to its mean. We can generalize this is to look at how two variables are vary together, which is known as covariance. It is a measure of how dependent the two variables are. It is computed by E of xi minus mu into E of yi minus v, where v is the mean of set yi. If two variables are independent, then the covariance is 0. If the two variables are independent, then the covariance is 0. While if they both increase and decrease at the same time, then the covariance is positive. If they both increase and decrease at the same time, then the covariance is positive. And if one goes up while the other goes down, then the covariance is negative. The covariance can be used to look at correlation between all pairs of variables within the set of data. Variance refers to spread of data set around its mean value, whereas covariance is a measure of the directional relationship between two random variables. It is a squared sum of each element minus its mean value, whereas it is computed by using E of xi minus mu into E of yi minus v. Coming to the bias variance trade-off. Bias is the simplifying assumption made by the model to make the target function easier to approximate. Low bias suggests less assumption about the form of target function. High bias suggests more assumptions. Low bias suggests the less assumption. High bias suggests the more assumptions. Variance is the amount that the estimate of target function will change given different training data. Low variance suggests small changes, whereas high variance suggests large changes to the estimate of the target function. By low bias, which suggests less assumptions, high bias suggests more assumptions, whereas low variance suggests small changes, whereas high variance suggests large changes. But there must be a trade-off between the bias and the variance. Trade-off is the tension between the error introduced by the bias and the variance. It is a tension between the error introduced by the bias and the variance. The goal of any supervised machine learning is to achieve low bias and low variance. We must achieve, in the machine learning point of view, we must achieve low bias and the low variance, because low bias suggests less assumptions and low variance suggests small changes. In turn, the algorithm should achieve good prediction performance. In turn, that means low bias and low variance, that model will achieve good prediction performance. Linear machine algorithms often have a high bias but a low variance. Non-linear machine learning algorithms often have a low bias but a high variance. Linear machine learning algorithms often have a high bias but a low variance. Non-linear machine learning algorithms often have a low bias but have a but have high variance. This is the actual bias variance trade-off. This is the formula is equal to noise square plus variance plus bias square. The first of three terms on the right of the equation is beyond our control. It is a reducible error and is the variance of the test data. The second term is variance and the third is the square of the bias. The variance tells us how much x changes depending on the particular training set that was used, while the bias tells us about the average error of h of x. Variance tells us how much x changes depending on the particular training set that was used, while the bias tells us about the average error of h of x. It is possible to exchange bias and variance so that we can have a model with low bias. In generally, machine learning has shown the good efficiency for low bias and the low variance, but high variance meaning that answer viable around all over the place or vice versa. But high variance, vice versa. But you cannot make them both zero for each model. There must be a trade-off between them. We must have a trade-off between bias and variance. The parameterization of machine learning algorithms is often battle to balance out bias and variance. There is no escaping the relationship between bias and variance in machine learning. Increasing the bias will decrease the variance. Increasing the variance will decrease the bias. There is a trade-off at play between these two constants and algorithms you choose and the way we choose to configure them are finding different balances in this trade-off for our problem. There must be a trade-off between the bias and the variance because low variance and the low bias will get the good performance in machine learning. Low bias and low variance algorithm is to achieve low bias and the low variance. Thank you.